channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful Monday. I am super excited. I finally received my October 2018 Scentbird, and I love Scentbird. It is amazing. If you do not know, Scentbird is a monthly subscription. It is $14.95 a month. You receive a 30-day supply of a designer fragrance. You can go in and you have like your queue where you can put in the perfumes that you want. They do have over 500 to choose from. What is really awesome is it really does, last at least a month. And I do know there is a code right now, BIRD25, that will get you 25% off your first month. And it's just amazing. I think it's great. It's a great way to try different, perfumes, and a lot of them are really super high-end perfumes that, if you were to try and actually go buy, you would be spending over $100, $150 a bottle. So this is a great way to kind of mix it up. You can choose the same scent. If you prefer, you obviously can try different scents, which is what I like to do because I don't like always smelling the same. I want to smell different. Depending on my mood, I may reach for one perfume versus another. But again, I just love this. It comes monthly, and it's just it's not a surprise because I know what's in here because I know what I've put in my queue. But again, I will make sure to put a link to their website down below for you guys. And like I said, there is the code right now, BIRD25, to get you 25% off of your first month, which is amazing. And let's just go ahead and dive in here. Happy Halloween week. Like I said, I hope you all are having an amazing Monday. If you are new, we would love to have you go ahead and subscribe. So go ahead and hit that bell. I cannot talk, y'all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. So, all right. This is how it comes. Once you do your first month, you receive this in your first month, and then you just twist it up and you spritz. After your first month, I think they may send you a new one every 3 months, but after your first month, it will come like this. It'll come in like a cardboard tube. You take it off the lid off, and then it's just your perfume. Now, I'm super excited about this. One thing that I love about Scentbird is if there's perfumes that I have never smelled, I love that they describe the perfume. So the one I got this month is the Capri by Camuto. And I love here, first of all, the bottle is gorgeous. The actual real bottle is absolutely gorgeous. But then on the back, it tells you, and I'll tell you this on the site, it tells you what the scents, the notes of the perfume are. And I know what I like. So when I read this, I was like, oh, I bet that smells amazing. So it says an invigorating floral scent of sparkling citrus, velvety peach blossom, and powdery violet flower. A rich blend of bright musk and lush vanilla finish Capri off on a delicious note. So it shows grapefruit, peach blossom, musk, violet flower, and vanilla. So I am actually, because last month I got the Michael Kors Rose Radiant Gold, and it smells amazing. So I am excited to try this. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, this is one thing I love about Scentbird. It gives you the opportunity to try new fragrances, but like I said, because it does tell you the notes of the fragrances. Oh my gosh, y'all, that smells so good. You kind of know what to expect. You know the type of scent you like. So again, if you're unfamiliar, read on the website when you're selecting, you know, your perfumes, and it'll tell you. And that is dead on. That smells so good. Oh, I wish the actual bottle wasn't so expensive. Oh my goodness, I love it. So, like I said, I will put a link down below for you guys for Scentbird. And like I said, I'll put that code down, BIRD25. You get 25% off your first month. And don't forget, Christmas is right around the corner, so this would make a great gift. But I highly, highly recommend it, especially if you like trying different perfumes. So, again, I hope you all have a fabulous day. And again, if you're new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our family here on YouTube. Otherwise, I hope you all, again, have a fabulous day. And I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.